To attach the wheelchair, bring it close to the stair lift, insert the wheelchair retaining blocks with the red knobs, widen the black knobs, adjust them, and secure the wheelchair. Properly position the stair lift, ensuring both tracks adhere to the step. Adjust the height of the handlebar based on the user's build. Turn on the stair lift with the appropriate key and, using the inclination selector, proceed to recline the ramps supporting the wheelchair until reaching the 15-20 degree indicated on the display. The level should always be in the green or yellow position. Set the ascent mode using the selector near the throttle knob. Rotating the throttle knob starts the machine, and to maintain the 15-20 degree inclination of the wheelchair, use the inclination control on the left side of the handlebar. Driving modes. Sequential mode. Activate the throttle knob and press the step-by-step inclination button, always keeping the machine at 15-20 degree inclination. Recommended. Continuous mode. Activate the throttle knob and the inclination button simultaneously until reaching the last step, always keeping the machine at 15-20 degrees inclination. Make sure to keep the machine level on yellow-green. Last step with rear anti-tip wheels. Ensure the red LEDs illuminate the edge of the landing. Stop the machine and activate the rear anti-tip wheels using the selector on the left side of the handlebar. Wait for the wheels to complete their movement and restart the ascent to bring the stair lift onto the landing. When the tracks of the stair lift are fully on the landing, deactivate both the rear anti-tip wheels and the inclination button to bring the wheelchair to a horizontal position, thus lifting the tracks and activating the swivel wheels for easy and quick movement of the stair lift on the landing. Last step without the aid of rear wheels. Check the illumination of the red LEDs. When they light up the edge of the landing, proceed at a moderate speed to find the correct balance point. This varies depending on what is being transported. A person in a standard wheelchair will have a more rearward balance point than a person in an electric wheelchair. At this point, stop the machine and use the inclination button to bring the machine body to a horizontal position, keeping the wheelchair at about 15-20 degrees. If the balance point is correctly found, this operation requires no effort.
Descent.
With rear anti-tip wheels, activate the rear anti-tip wheels and tilt the platform to about 30-35 degrees. Activate the descent with the red button under the right handle and start the machine. When the red LEDs reaches the edge of the landing, stop the machine and deactivate the rear anti-tip wheels using the selector on the left. When the wheels are fully retracted, restart the machine. During the descent, pay attention to the inclination indicated on the display to ensure proper balance. the level should always be in the yellow or green position. At the end of the stairs, activate the inclination button to bring the wheelchair to a horizontal position, lifting the tracks and activating the swivel wheels for easy and quick maneuvering of the machine. Without the aid of the rear wheels, tilt the platform to about 15-20 degrees. Activate the descent with the red button under the throttle handle and approach the edge of the landing at reduced speed, checking the position of the red LEDs. When the red LEDs reaches the edge of the landing, further reduce the speed to find the correct balance point. When the machine is balanced on the edge of the landing, stop the machine and tilt using the button on the left side of the machine body until the tracks rest completely on at least 2 steps. If the balance point is correctly found, this operation requires no effort. Start the descent, always maintaining an inclination of about 15-20 degrees to handle the descent. The inclination can be adjusted during the descent using the inclination button on the left side of the handlebar.